Welcome back, traders. It's Teamwitherving here. Welcome to another session. Today we are gonna be trading our pre-week analysis. Make sure that you do subscribe for our full week analysis that is coming tomorrow, Sunday. So once again, we are gonna be trading our pre-week analysis, and hopefully everything makes sense. All right, so let me go ahead and give you one more social media that I think you should also take a look at. It is our Facebook, Forex USA. Follow us in there if you want more content. And one quick reminder about our Forex disclaimer is the following: I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze hundreds and hundreds in what? Wait. In hundreds of pips. That's what I love to do best. Alright, so remember, I'm here giving you the pre-week analysis. I'm gonna be giving you gold, Euro USD, Usd Jpy, and Euro Gbp. So this is for the week of November 9th to the 13th. Basically, this is the second week already in our belt, showing you what November is all about. This past week we lost 3 trades out of 12. Not a bad deal. Our job here is to be at least 75% winning ratio. So make sure that you do subscribe if you have not subscribed or you are watching us for the first time, so you will not miss any content. All right, so let's get to work, guys, and hopefully everything makes sense. And let me know if you do have any questions. So here's Euro USD. Euro USD was very interesting. This PV here, look, it was supposed to be in a bearish position, guys, but the sentiment, because of the election, we still don't know what's going on. Market was supposed to come down, but because of the election, all suddenly boom, it went back up. I was on this trade and it took me out in on my trailing stop, and then I was waiting for it. Nothing makes sense. I was like, what's going on here? And boom, and I saw this huge engulfing candle here. I said, okay, the market is gonna come up to this end. And then I saw this other huge engulfing candle here. I said, okay, market is getting exhausted once again. So I wait for it, and nothing was still making sense. And then boom, I see this huge engulfing candle here, and then I entered right on the top because it was meeting my Fibonacci. I said, you know what, it's coming to this level here, to the brothers and sisters. Pay close attention to this one, guys, because I know you guys will be asking me, Irving, but Euro USD didn't make any sense. Sure, it did not. So now it's coming to retest this brothers and sisters here. It's very strong area, guys. Look at that, perfect hit. So now we had two top. Remember, the market Euro USD is selling. So this guy here is active. It's saying that we are doing a PV. So now all I can predict for this coming week, guys, remember, these are not signals. This is for educational purpose. So if you do want to if you don't have a multiple time frame, here it is. The link is below, guys. Take a look at it. Or if you're not ready, come and join our gold membership on YouTube. Learn how to trade, come in, and then once you know how to do all this stuff, then you can grab the whole system, and I'm gonna give you those $39 off. All right, so this is what I'm predicting for this week, guys. Like everybody know, market's still still pushing up. To be honest, still pushing up. So I'm waiting maybe 1 or 2 more candle here, but I'm calling it from this point on here. Market will drop, boom. It will drop to retest our 23.6 Fibonacci line. What it is the previous levels here, boom. From that level there, market will do a small reversal, right? I don't think it will create any arrows in this area. Let me know in the comment below if you do think otherwise. And then from that point, boom, market will drop as bearish. So this is very interesting, guys. This is a very interesting pair. So I'm looking for sell, to be honest. This is me. This is not signals. but in my opinion, this trade is gonna be an awesome pair to be trading. Now if I will put maybe 30-50 pips trailing stop loss in here and write this bad boy as a sell. All right, I'm letting you know up front. We come in this Tuesday at 4 p.m. No, Wednesday at 4 p.m. We're gonna review today's video, and tomorrow that I'm gonna be doing on Sunday, and then we're gonna go over. Don't tell me on Wednesday I didn't tell you. All right. Let me go ahead and show you the next pair. The next pair I think is very interesting as well is the Usd Jpy. Usd Jpy still, look, it's creating us a buy position. Remember, here market is in a buy. So this huge PV here was strong as well. Boom, it dropped. Look at that. Now, look at that. That's what I always tell people. Just because our system is letting us know, Irving, we are in a buy and a sell, doesn't mean that we are going to be entering in the market right away. No. Here in our channel, we trade with rules. Do you want to know how we trade with rules? Well, come and join us. If you're not ready yet, join the Gold membership. In there, you get to read more and understand more how things works out. All right. And also, guys, you can follow us, to be honest, on our website. Let me go ahead and type it here. So you can follow us on what? www.tweforexsystem.com. It's there. All right. So now this area here, to be honest, it's giving us a gorgeous, it's letting us know, Urban, now we are gonna be an official in a buy position. I like this area, guys. It's still dragging it down. It's not fully ready yet, right? So, but still coming down. And then from this point on, I really like this area. Look at this guy. Pay close attention to our Fibonacci in there. And then from there, boom, market will break this level here. The brothers and sisters here come and retest our 38 Fibonacci line. From there, market will come back down, retest our 23, and then by that time, we are coming back on Wednesday at 4 p.m. where we're gonna be reviewing this trade live with you. So where you're gonna be agreeing or disagreeing with me. All right, remember, we are trading November already. This is the second week of November. So far, last week we lost 3 trades out of 12. Guys, by the way, comment below if you want me to analyze any of your pair for tomorrow. And also, I'm giving you on the pre-week, I'm giving you 4 pair every weekend. Let me know if 4 is more than enough, or either I can reduce it to 3. Okay. I was thinking to reduce it to 3, but I want to ask you for your opinion first. Let me know if you think 4 is more than enough, or either 3 is good, or I can reduce the full week analysis. Let me know what works for you, because I know you guys remember, this is not signals. Please don't take it just blindly. Go back to your system, analyze it, and then if it makes sense, go for it. Some of these trades here are my trades in reality, guys. I'm not gonna tell you exactly which one is gonna be, but some of these are my real deal. All right, so hopefully this USD Jpy makes sense, guys. Hopefully it does. Comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe, guys. It's very important for algorithm on YouTube, because they make me excited creating you more video as well. So support the channel as well. Okay, all the link for our system, guys, is on the description of this video. Come and take a look at it. All right, so we here on Eurusd. Eurusd is sexy, guys. This guy here is gorgeous. A lot of people are telling me, Irving, I don't understand the system on this pair, right? They send me message behind scene, and some of them, they're not in our group, so I cannot be answering you every single question. Please accept my apologies in advance, because simply you're not a member. If you will be a member, I take your question and I make your video. I do whatever they have to do to make you success in this business. But this guy will say, Irving, I see I guess they're using a different system. in my other system that I'm using here, the market is saying that our market is in a bullish. What do you think? Should I enter in a bullish? Well, I don't do signal. You can do whatever you want. I don't do signal. He was saying, yeah, market is giving me a buy position here. No, you're wrong. Let me tell you here, you're wrong. Now I'm making a video. Market is now trending down. Eurusd is bearish. It's not bullish, dude. Now, this buy here is game over. We trade with rule. This guy is game over. Now it has been part of history. Now this guy here took over. Yes, market may be still look like it's bullish, but remember, market, we're looking for sales. So now it's coming, it's getting ready, my opinion. Market, look, market is dropping, guys. Market is dropping. So now I can say market is gonna come back and meet our 61.8 to our 78 Fibonacci line. From there, what do you think the market is gonna do? Well, market has to breathe, right? It has to take a break, and say, you know what, Irvin, I'm tired. I'm tired of robbing people here. That's what the market that's what the market is gonna do to our account. And then from there, market will do a small reversal, boom, retesting our 61 to our 50 Fibonacci line, and then from there market will continue as bearish. Remember, the trend here, guys, is bearish. What do you think? Hopefully you're not thinking, oh, Irvin, I'm gonna go be bullish. Well, you do what's best for your account. All right, if you want to lose your account, guys, there's a lot of homeless on some areas. You know, buy them breakfast, buy them lunch, do whatever you have to, but that your money is gonna be better off invested with them than just giving it to the market. Because we're trading $6.6 billion, guys. Jesus Christ. All right, let's go to our next one, guys. Please comment below, guys, if you are finding value of this training here, or our pre-week analysis is comment below. Let me know if you want me to analyze any of your video for tomorrow. And also, you can find me on any social media, guys. If you are having a hard time to connect me, my Telegram is in the description of this video as well. Or if you want to send me a private WhatsApp as well, is there. All right, so let's go. Let's trade with Teamwitherving. So, all right, so the next one that I have here for you guys, to be honest, this pair here is very important, very important. I like it, and hopefully you do also like it. All right, so the next one is gold. All right, gold is sexy, dude. Gold is freaking sexy. I love this fucking pair. Forgive me my language, guys. Sometimes I get super excited. Look, guys, it broke. This PV here is freaking huge. Boom! It went bullish like crazy. Now, look, it did respect our previous levels. Sure it did. Now, yes, it broke it. Boom. And then I didn't know what to do. I was watching this. I was like, you know what? I was not getting in. I have my rules did not qualify me to be in a sell yet on this pair here. So guys, I know my team is here. Please, guys, we did our video on, what was it, Tuesday, and I show you some advanced stuff, guys. Please take a look at it. I know today everything will be more clear for you, and tomorrow, Sunday, it will be even much clean. I want this coming week, you guys, to start making more profit, and make sure you learn to grab money. Your goal is to grow your account. But in this here, to be honest, this guy here is giving us a gorgeous drop, saying, Irvin, look at here, guys, we are selling. Look at here, sell, 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 sell. Real time TWE, Teamwitherving, love to teach only what reality is gonna happen, guys. The future. I like to work what is coming on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and we make a nice, awesome weekend enjoying our profit. A lot of new places, guys, to be honest, they love to teach you back data. Well, let's use the name John. All right, so they say, okay, John, look at this, John. If you see the market here sell, well, you're gonna be selling, right? But that's in my side. But they usually tell you, okay, if the market would have done this, John, I would have entered here. I would have been a buy here. I would have been a buy here. That's BS, guys. Don't let nobody to teach you back data. Really don't. Back data will not make you money. This already happens, dude. Why people like to teach old stuff? Look, I'm not saying I'm not calling the best, because no one in this business is the best. I'm just telling you that you should not be learning stuff what already happens in the past. You should be learning what the future, what Monday is gonna do, what Tuesday is also gonna do, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in here. That's all it matters. What is coming, not what already happens. That's over. So now what I'm calling on this pair here, this is gold, guys. Please comment below if you're finding this value, or send me a message, or do whatever you have to do. But what I'm calling on this one, guys, market is still pushing a bit up, right? So now market now is coming and it's exhausted. Look, it cannot break that area. Boom. It's like a brick wall in this area here, so it cannot go further than that. So now the market will drop down, retesting our 61 to our 50 Fibonacci line. From there, market had to take a break. I said, oh, thanks God, people were going to buy. I took their stop losses. Now it will take that break, and then boom, market will drop direction. This is awesome, guys. This week is gonna be freaking awesome. This is gonna be amazing. Now the question is, are you trading with multiple time frames or not? If you are trading all the system, that's fine. Go back to your system, analyze it. If it makes sense, well. If not, we're doing something wrong, or you are doing something wrong. Or come on Wednesday at 4 p.m. Eastern time, where you are gonna be judging me and saying, Irvin, yes, you were right. Irvin, you were wrong. My goal this week, November 9th to the 12th, I want at least 75% winning ratio and be okay. All right, guys, I'm very excited here. Just forgive me, guys. It's part of doing business for me. Make sure you guys look into our website, guys, TWE Forex System, and we are trading multiple time frame. The link is below as well. So I'm very excited. So make sure you guys do a let me know whatever pair you want me to analyze it. All right, so if you are new here and you want me to analyze any of your pair, please let me know as well. Comment below. I'm here live anyway, so I'm just trying to help you out. All right, so do you guys have any question, guys? Because Teamwitherving is going to have some family time here. Thank you guys for the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. God bless you, and God bless the United States. Take care, guys.